we want to solve the system of linear equations by graphing. To do this, we want to graph both linear equations on the same coordinate plane and interpret their results. So let's first graph the linear equation negative 3y plus 9x equals 18. To graph the line, we can make a table of values, determine the intercepts, or write the equation in slope-intercept form, which is the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the vertical intercept. Let's go ahead and write this in slope-intercept form by solving the equation for y. So we first want to isolate the y term, and therefore we'll subtract 9x on both sides, which will give us negative 3y equals negative 9x plus 18. And now to solve for y, we'll divide both sides by negative 3, or divide each term by negative 3. Simplifying, here we have 1y or y equals negative 9 divided by negative 3 is positive 3, so we have 3x. And then we have 18 divided by negative 3, which is negative 6, so we have minus 6. Now that the equation is in slope-intercept form, notice that m equals 3, so the slope is equal to 3, which to use to graph we want as a fraction. Let's write 3 as 3 over 1. And then b is equal to negative 6, which means the vertical intercept is negative 6, which should be the ordered pair 0, negative 6. So let's go ahead and graph this line. So we'll first plot the vertical intercept, 0, negative 6. Remember, the slope gives us the ratio of the vertical change to horizontal change. So because the slope is 3 over 1, from the vertical intercept, we go up 3 units and right 1 unit. And let's do this multiple times. Up 3, right 1, up 3, right 1, up 3, right 1. This is the graph of the first linear equation. And now we need to graph the second equation, which is y equals 3x plus 2. Notice how this equation is already in slope-intercept form, where the slope m is equal to 3 if we want 3 over 1, and b equals 2, and therefore the vertical intercept is the ordered pair 0, 2. So notice how the two lines have the same slope but different vertical intercepts, which means they're going to be parallel lines, and the system has no solution. Let's go ahead and graph this line. So we'll first plot the vertical intercept, 0, 2. And from here we'll go up 3, right 1. Up 3, right 1. If we wanted to, we could also change the form of the slope to find additional points on this line. We can write the slope, instead of 3 over 1, we could write it as negative 3 over negative 1, which means instead of going up 3 and right 1, we can also go down 3 and left 1. So from here, if we go down 3, left 1, notice how this point is still going to be on the same line. So down 3, left 1, down 3, left 1. This is the graph of the second linear equation. Because the two lines are parallel and never intersect, there will not be a point that has an ordered pair that will satisfy both equations, and therefore the system has no solution. A system that has no solution we say is inconsistent, and we're told to enter D and E into each box. So because there's no solution, we enter D and E here and D and E here. I hope you found this helpful.